Today, we're exploring a subject that has the potential to change your life for the better. Discover the ultimate farewell to muscle loss with these 5 powerhouse foods that combat sarcopenia. If you've ever questioned why your muscles may feel less robust as time goes on, or if you're seeking natural methods to enhance your strength and vitality, stay tuned. These foods are set to transform your experience. Before we dive in, please take a moment to click that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. By taking this straightforward step, you not only keep yourself informed with our latest health tips, but you also demonstrate your commitment to caring for your body. Discover a straightforward guide packed with actionable tips. Whether you're just starting your journey towards healthy eating or aiming to refine your diet, you've come to the perfect spot. Embark on your path to enhanced muscle health today. Now, let's dive into the first superfood that could change your health story. As we age, our muscles become more vulnerable to inflammation, that tight, sore, heavy feeling you might get after a walk or standing too long. And if your body can't repair those tiny muscle damages, they start to shrink and weaken over time. That's exactly how sarcopenia sneaks in, little by little. But salmon, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like tiny fire extinguishers for your muscles. They calm inflammation, help your body recover faster, and actually stimulate muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build new muscle. Less inflammation equals less pain and soreness after movement. Faster recovery equals more energy to stay active. More protein synthesis equals stronger, more resilient muscles. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass. Vitamin D supports balance, bones, and overall strength. B12 and selenium protect your nerves and keep your brain sharp. You see, salmon doesn't just help your muscles, it nourishes your entire body. Now, let's move on to a classic breakfast hero that's small, simple, and absolutely essential for muscle growth. When it comes to building and preserving muscle after 60, you don't need a fancy supplement. You just need something simple, affordable, and already in your kitchen. Yes, eggs. Don't let their size fool you. Eggs are one of nature's most complete and powerful foods. Inside that little shell is a perfect combination of nutrients designed to help your muscles stay strong, your energy stay high, and your brain stay sharp. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein. But not just any protein, this is complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle tissue. One of those amino acids is called leucine, and it's especially important for older adults. Why? Because leucine activates muscle growth. It's like the spark that tells your body, hey, time to build more muscle. And that's not all eggs offer. Vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and helps prevent fatigue. Vitamin D, important for bone health and balance. Choline, which protects brain health and memory. And let's not forget the healthy fats in the yolk. These help absorb fat-soluble vitamins that keep your body running smoothly. Now, I know there's been a lot of confusion about cholesterol and eggs in the past, but the truth is, for most people, eggs do not raise harmful cholesterol. In fact, 1 or 2 eggs a day can be perfectly safe and even beneficial, especially for seniors who need more nutrition in fewer calories. Now let's talk about a humble leafy green that might just be your secret weapon against muscle loss. Spinach? It may not look like much, just soft green leaves, right? But inside those leaves is a powerful cocktail of nutrients that help you walk stronger, stand taller, and recover faster. Here's why spinach is one of the best foods for seniors battling. First, it's full of magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles contract and relax properly. Low magnesium can lead to cramps, stiffness, and weakness, things we often assume are just part of aging, but in many cases, they're preventable. Second, spinach contains iron, which helps your body carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough iron, your muscles tire out faster, and simple tasks feel exhausting. Third, and this is big, spinach is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein. These act as a protective shield against the rusting process caused by oxidative stress, a hidden enemy of aging muscles. Think of spinach like a silent bodyguard inside your system. And don't forget about potassium, another key nutrient in spinach that helps regulate fluid balance and reduce muscle soreness after activity. Even a simple walk in the garden can feel easier when your cells are properly nourished. Remember, leafy greens like spinach don't just keep your muscles strong, they help your heart, brain, bones, and immune system too. This green may look gentle, but it's one of the toughest allies your muscles could ask for. Let's take a break from the main meals and talk about something we all love, snacks. But not just any snack, we're talking about almonds, one of the most powerful natural muscle-boosting foods you can eat. And you don't even need a fork or knife. At first glance, almonds may just look like a convenient nibble. But under that crunchy surface lies a nutritional powerhouse, especially important for seniors who are looking to fight off muscle fatigue, weakness, and inflammation. So what makes almonds so special? Let's start with magnesium. Just a small handful of almonds, around 10 to 15, gives you a healthy dose of this essential mineral, which helps regulate muscle contractions, prevent cramps and spasms, improve overall muscle coordination, and it doesn't stop there. Almonds are also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress. The silent rust that ages your body from the inside out? This makes almonds one of the best foods to slow down muscle aging. They also contain healthy fats, which support hormone balance and reduce joint inflammation. Protein, which helps rebuild worn-out muscle fibers. Fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth and your energy stable. Let's not forget almonds are also heart-friendly, helping to reduce bad cholesterol and improve circulation. And better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, making recovery and strength building easier. Almonds are easy to chew if you soak them in warm water for a few hours. This softens the texture while keeping the nutrients intact. Perfect for sensitive teeth or dentures. You can also enjoy almonds in other creative ways. Sprinkle them over your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, use almond butter on whole grain toast or apple slices. How do you like your almonds? Roasted, raw, salted, or blended into butter? Comment below and share your favorite almond-based snack or recipe. Someone in our senior community might thank you for the idea. Remember, healthy snacking isn't just about satisfying hunger, it's about feeding your body with strength between meals. And almonds do that beautifully. Now that we've talked snacks, let's turn back to the dinner plate because our final food is a classic. Lean, clean, and full of protein. We've saved one of the most trusted and effective muscle foods for last, and it's probably already in your kitchen. I'm talking about chicken breast, lean, clean, and packed with exactly what aging muscles need, high-quality protein. After 60, your body needs more protein than it did in your younger years. Why? Because muscle maintenance and repair slow down with age. The body becomes less efficient at using protein, which means you need more of it, and you need it from good sources. That's where chicken breast shines. A single serving about the size of your palm provides around 25 to 30 grams of complete protein. That's enough to kickstart muscle repair, fuel recovery after physical activity, prevent unnecessary muscle breakdown. Even better, chicken breast is low in fat, easy to digest, versatile in recipes. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks of strong, resilient muscle. And if you're worried about cholesterol or heart health, good news. Chicken breast is one of the leanest meats you can eat, especially when grilled, baked, or boiled. Let's also talk about B vitamins, particularly B6 and niacin, found in chicken breast. These vitamins help convert food into energy, making you feel more alert and energized throughout the day. They also support nerve function, which is essential for smooth muscle coordination and balance. If chewing is difficult, try shredding your chicken into soups, stews, or mixing it with mashed avocado for a soft protein-rich chicken salad. And don't forget the power of pairing. Combine chicken breast with sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli for a muscle-nourishing meal. Add it to a wrap with hummus and spinach for a quick on-the-go lunch. Or serve it over quinoa for a fiber-rich low-carb dinner. What's your favorite way to enjoy chicken breast? Grilled with herbs, slow-cooked in soup? Leave a comment and share your recipe. You might inspire someone else in our community to cook healthier tonight. Here's the truth. You don't need fancy powders or extreme diets to support your muscles as you age. Just real food, eaten regularly, with a bit of intention and care, and chicken breast. It's the workhorse of healthy aging, delivering strength one bite at a time. Now, let's wrap it all up and remind ourselves what we've learned. You've just discovered the 5 essential foods that can help you say goodbye to muscle loss, fight sarcopenia, and reclaim your strength, balance, and independence. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Salmon, the omega-3 rich fish that soothes inflammation and fuels muscle recovery. Eggs, nature's perfect protein, packed with amino acids and vitamins that activate muscle growth. Spinach, the leafy green powerhouse, full of magnesium and antioxidants that protect and strengthen your muscles. Almonds, a crunchy, tasty snack loaded with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats to keep your muscles energized. Chicken breast, the lean protein-packed staple that builds and repairs your muscles without extra fat. But here's the most important message. It's not just about eating these foods once or twice, it's about making them a regular part of your lifestyle. Because sarcopenia isn't inevitable. With the right nutrition and simple, consistent choices, you can slow, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. And the benefits go beyond muscle. Improved balance means fewer falls. More energy means greater independence. Stronger muscles mean better mood and confidence. Remember, every small step counts. Maybe today you add salmon to your shopping list, maybe tomorrow you try an egg-based breakfast. And maybe next week, you sprinkle some almonds on your yogurt. That's how change happens. Slowly, steadily, and with care. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe for more warm, practical senior health advice every week.